Hey guys, I'm Pixray MUA and this is my Gryffindor inspired makeup look. This is the last in the Harry Potter series. I will leave the link up here for you for the playlist for the rest of the houses and linked down below. So this is obviously just the gold inspired look from Gryffindor. It's been really requested and I thought I will save this one till last. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. My handles will be just down at the bottom here and it's Pixray MUA everywhere, so go give us a follow. It'd mean the world to me if you could subscribe to my channel. I've got loads more planned for the future. I know this is my last Harry Potter inspired look. You never know, I might do some more in the future, but maybe characters or something like that. I am going to be doing other films as well, so make sure you do subscribe if you want to see that. But if you would like to see how to get this Gryffindor inspired look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so starting really close today, just because I'm doing my eyes first and I don't want any fallout, so I'm going to be using quite strong colours. So I've just primed my eyes with some foundation, concealer and some powder. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This palette I think is just made for Gryffindors. I'm going to go in with this shade here, Tempera. And I'm going to take that on my Spectrum brush. It's just a fluffy brush, and just place that all over the lid for a nice even base. If you've watched my tutorials before, you'll know that I do this quite often. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange, and that's going to be our transition colour. So I'm going to take it on my Real Techniques fluffy brush and just start placing that into the crease. And we're going quite heavy with this look. So I'm going right into the inner corners, but I am leaving just a gap up here. And then with this shade here, I think it's called Realgar or Relgar. Again, I'm just going to pop that into the crease. I'm going to use the same brush, but not bring it so high. And don't worry about getting on your lid, as we are cutting the crease with concealer. And this is just going to add a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to use this colour here, Red Ochre, and I'm taking that on my fluffy Spectrum brush and again popping that into the crease. I'm going to go back to my pencil brush with the same colour and really start working this in. And going with my Real Technique Deluxe crease brush and just start blending that together. Once you've set that one down, I'm going to go in with Venetian Red. I'm going to take that on a pencil brush. These are just the Storybook cosmetic brushes, any that you see with these sort of wand tips. And I'm going to start placing them into the crease again. And then on the fluffy brush, same colour, just start dispersing it. Fluffy blending brush. Okay, and as those colours aren't quite as red as I want, I'm going with the Sophie Does Nails palette by Makeup Revolution. With this colour, Danger. And again, just going to run that through the crease on my fluffy brush. And then with the colour Strawberry Sweets and a bit of Pumpkin, I'm going to mix them together and pop them through the crease as well. And then to highlight the brow bone on the Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All palette. On my fluffy wand brush, and I'm going to start blending that into the eyebrow. Love this palette. You guys, this was free. Free. You had to spend £12 on Makeup Revolution, but I mean, that is easily done. I don't even know if you can buy this palette, but I will link it down below. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. Now I actually got mine in the shade C2. I did want C1, but it's literally sold out everywhere, online, everywhere. I can't get it. So it's slightly dark for me, just ever so slightly. I wanted to try C1 because concealers are never brightening on me, so I'm hoping that it will. So we'll see. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to use this to carve out my crease. So just pop a little bit on, and then with a flat brush, again from Storybook Cosmetics, just start spreading this onto my lid. Okay, like so. So that might take a few tries to get the exact shape you want. This one's not quite perfect like this one. So I'm actually going to go back in with the Love Conquers All palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. Okay, so on another flat brush, I've just cleaned this one off, taking my setting spray, spraying the brush. Can we just appreciate this colour? Okay guys, so I'm just going to leave the eyes there for a moment. I'm just going to clean up and just make this line much sharper, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do the rest of my base makeup. I'm actually not going to talk you through it. I'm just going to show you what I'm using and what I'm doing, just because I've got so many tutorials with how I do my base and I want to keep this quite quick. So I'll leave everything linked down below that I am using. If you do want to see how in depth of how I actually do certain things, then just check out my channel. There's loads and loads of tutorials. Just because this eye look's taken quite a while, I just want to get this done quite quick so you're not just watching me do foundation and all of that sort of stuff. So let's go. Okay guys, now the base is on, I'm going to do my eyeliner next. So I finally picked up a new one of these. It's just the Miss Sporty Magic eyeliner. I'm just going to tightline the top of my eye. For under the eye, I'm going back into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to go in with this one here, fluffy brush, and run that underneath. I'm going to go in with the Soft as Nails highlighting palette. I'm using the gold shade that I used on my face just to highlight the inner corner, and this is a slightly damp brush. Okay, and then using my NYX Epic Ink liner. Okay, and I just want to say with eyeliner, I've got quite big eyes, so I can get away with putting it right under my waterline like this. You don't have to if you feel like it's going to make your eyes look smaller. When you do the point on the inside, which that will actually elongate your eyes, just sort of blend it up into the waterline instead. But I can bring it down, just like I said, I do have quite large eyes. Like, so you don't even have to put the eyeliner on the waterline if you don't want to. So I'm just going to put on a small bit of mascara on my top lashes, and then I'm going to put some actual lashes on. This is the Tarte Manita mascara. Hey guys, so I got those lashes on actually quite quickly. So this is the eyes. Hey guys, for the lips, I'm going to go in with MAC Cherry Lip Liner. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Rich Blood. Okay, like so, and as usual you could leave the lips here, but obviously I'm not going to today. So I'm going to go back in with the Soft as Nails highlighter palette and just use the gold one again on my finger and start patting that into the lips. And that's not quite good enough actually, it's gone a bit pink, so I'm just going back in with the Conquistador palette and using this gold. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Okay guys, so that's it now for my Harry Potter series. This was the last one, Gryffindor. I really hope you like it. So my last and final Harry Potter question is, which house are you? So I am a Gryffindor. Obviously it's why I have so much Gryffindor stuff. I've got my Gryffindor top on as well. And the scarf, my mum actually knitted this scarf. I actually got sorted into Gryffindor on Pottermore as well, so I like to think that I'm a true Gryffindor. I've not just chosen that house, it's the one I'm in. I know that everyone tends to be a Gryffindor, so it's been really fun doing all the Harry Potter houses. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that huge thumbs up, it would mean the world to me, and if you could subscribe down below, that would be great. I'm obviously going to be doing loads more on my channel. I've got a really fun video coming up next week with my husband. We did promise once I got to 50 subscribers that we'd do it. I know I'm quite a bit past that now, but we just didn't get around to it, but he has promised me he's going to film me. Stay tuned for that one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.